Beware of the false prophets who come to you in sheep's clothing, but inwardly are ravenous wolves. You will know them by their fruits. Grapes are not gathered from thorn bushes, nor figs from thistles, are they? So every good tree bears good fruits, but the bad tree bears bad fruit. A good tree cannot produce bad fruits, nor can a bad tree produce good fruit. Every tree that does not bear good fruit is cut down and thrown into the fire. Oh my goodness, there's a lot in here, Charlie. So this is the things that unbeliever, that's Wilkins trying to say. So then, you will know them by their fruits. Not everyone who will say to me, Lord, Lord, will enter the kingdom of heaven, but he who does the will of God, the will of my Father who is in heaven will